Rebecca. I may look young, but don't underestimate me. I'm a great candidate for event coordinator. I'm one of the happiest, most bubbly people you'll ever meet. I'm up for any challenge and will do what it takes to ensure our clients' events go on without a hitch. And if anything happens, I will be there and ready with a solution. I have experience as a peer mediator, so I have the knowledge and tools to de-escalate many situations. I do also have several years' experience planning a wide variety of activities, such as monthly activities calendars for children's, birthdays, weddings, and even for Mohawk College's residents while I was there. I also have numerous years' experience volunteering with community organizations and companies. I have the personality and skills you're looking for. I look forward to meeting you and thank you for your time. See you soon!